On Monday, the Mumbai police booked YouTuber Ranveer Allahabadia, comedian Samay Raina, and social media influencer Rebel Kid, aka Apurva Mukhija. The case comes in response to the remarks made by the three in the latest episode of India's Got Latent. Following this, the cops reached at the sets of India's Got Latent in Mumbai. Following the complaint and the backlash, Allahabadia posted a public apology on his social media platform X. He said, "I shouldn't have said what I said on India's Got Latent. I'm sorry." Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Popular YouTuber Ranveer Allahabadia is under fire for his remarks on the show India's Got Latent. The remarks were made in the new episode of India's Got Latent, hosted by popular YouTuber and comedian Samay Raina. The panel also included YouTuber Ashish Chanchalani and stand-up comedian Jaspreet Singh. However, both were not named in the FIR. Following the release of the episode, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis hinted action against obscene jokes made by the YouTuber Ranveer Allahabadia. Fadnavis responded to the reporters when he was asked about his comments on Allahabadia's remarks that have gone viral all over the social media. While talking to the reporters, Fadnavis said, "I have come to know about it. I have not seen the video yet. Things have been said and presented in a wrong way. Everyone has a freedom of speech, but our freedom ends when encroach upon the freedom of others." Meanwhile, the netizens are questioning the limits of freedom of speech and censorship on the digital platforms like YouTube. The show was uploaded on Samay Raina's YouTube channel for the subscribed viewers only, but the content of the video was so outrageous, making it viral all over the social media. Multiple clips of the videos were uploaded by many social media users questioning the limits of the jokes made by the panel and criticizing their remarks. YouTuber Ranveer Allahabadia is popularly known for his YouTube channel Beer Biceps. Allahabadia appeared as a panelist in the latest episode of Latent. During the show, he made derogatory, vulgar and lewd questions to a contestant. Allahabadia questioned the contestant over the parental intercourse. Yes, it's the same Ranveer Allahabadia who was awarded the National Creator Award last year by PM Modi at Bharat Mandapam in national capital. Mumbai Police's FIR was based on a complaint lodged by activist Rahul Ishwar with the Mumbai Commissioner and Maharashtra Women's Commission. The FIR further names comedian Samay Raina, who is the show's organizer, and social media influencer Apurva Mukhija, popularly known for her YouTube channel The Rebel Kid. Activist Rahul Ishwar in his complaint called Allahabadia's remarks highly offensive, grossly obscene and detrimental to public decency and ethics. The video was broadcasted on public platform without any age restrictions, thereby exposing impressionable viewers, including minors, to explicit and indecent content. The complaint further read, "Given the influence of social media creators on young audiences, such reckless and obscene behavior must be curtailed by strict legal action to set a strong precedent," he added. In addition, an official complaint was also filed by the Hindu IT cell. The Hindu IT cell took the matter on their social media platform X. The post read, "We have filed an official complaint with the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting against Samay Raina, Beer Biceps for promoting obscenity. Jai Hind." The group further stated that a person named Akshit Singh had lodged an official complaint with the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting against Samay and Ranveer for promoting obscenity. Furthermore, Congress spokesperson Supriya Shrinate also lashed out at Allahabadia. In a post on X, she wrote, "This isn't creative, it's pervert. And we cannot normalize perverse behavior as cool. The fact that this sick comment made loud applause must worry us all." Former National Commission for Women Chief Rekha Sharma also reacted to the incident. She said, "Making jokes about mother or a woman's body does not look good." She further said, "I think such jokes affect others who are engaged in similar creative things. I have forwarded the video to the NCW chairperson to take action." Till the time of shooting this video, Samay Raina have not made any comments on the incident. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.